Tabby Shop Now Pay Later Review. Is it worth it? So Tabby is a buy now pay later platform available in countries across the Arab world, allowing users to split purchases into interest-free installments. So what's good about it is it offers interest-free installments for up to 4 payments. It also has a wide merchant access and convenience, which works in 100 stores like Amazon's, Shein, IKEA, and much, much more. It also has a strong app experience, and it's helpful for budgeting. It even offers legitimacy confirmed by analytics. However, it comes with some cons and caveats. It is having an unreliable customer support. We have many users report unresponsiveness of robotic customer service. They also have unexpected fees and policy changes. They even have credit limit reductions without notifications. They also have technical glitches and blockings, and the refunds take some time with the delays and confusions. So, in conclusion, is it worth it or legit? Well, it is legit and a convenient BNPL option for short-term interest-free purchases. But be mindful of the hidden fees. The cash flow and the spending limits are inconsistent with the customer support, which are some important risks.